Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be covering the Binance Coin BNB. So jumping straight into this video, just to start off, you can see how great this coin is actually doing in this current market situation. So highlighting this key level of major resistance formed over here, you can see here once I highlight it, there was this double top pattern formed here, and ever since then you can see that massive decline forming over here, dropped nearly 100%, around 70% mark there, before creating this level of major support over here. You can see the support being formed around that $200 mark, again forming that double bottom pattern this time, and ever since then it's just been going absolutely parabolic and went nearly back up to the all-time high. So it went back up around 200% and nearly going to be hitting this all-time high level around there, around that $700 region. So what is going to happen at the moment? So guys, if another pattern like this forms around here, so it creates another level of resistance over here, it did form a resistance level here. If you can see around this level here, there was this resistance formed at the moment, but at this current month you can see it has broken this level of resistance in around this 27-day mark. If it does stay above this, there is a very good possibility of going back up to this all-time high before creating new level of resistance and supports and going up to a new all-time high. So just be aware of exactly what's going on. This month has only been around 3 days in and it's absolutely surged. You can see here this month alone has went up around 7%, which is a huge opportunity right now. So just wait around this region. So as I said guys, there was that resistance formed here, so nearly was a triple top pattern. When triple tops happen, there is a massive possibility of going back down to these levels here, but at the moment it didn't. So just be aware of what's exactly going on here. So just wait for this month to play out, and if it does stay above this level of resistance over here, you can see, as I marked already, around that $630 region, there is a good possibility of going up to at least the all-time high around that $700 region before creating levels of new support, as I said here, and then going up to a new all-time high. So just be aware of exactly what's going on. Exactly as I said before, all these level of major resistance levels over here, there was that resistance around $350. If I clone this, there was another resistance level here. Just last couple of months, all these levels of major resistance level was smashed. So one here, and hopefully what's going to happen this month, as I mentioned, is stay above this major level of resistance before creating that new level of supports and going up towards $1,000 region is what we're all hoping for. Jumping onto the weekly time frame, you can see exactly the pattern that's been forming. So all these lower highs was formed before this range region right here. So if I mark this range region over here on the weekly time frame, there was a range happening here between that $200 to $350 region before creating new higher highs and higher lows. And now it's smashed this level of range here, completely smashed through it, and now it is ranging at the moment. So if I go deeper into this current setup right now, you can see exactly what's going on. There is that range that has happened between around that 11th of March to around this week. Right now this range has completely broken, so just be aware of what's going to be happening. Even this week this range has broken, so there is that possibility of hitting these level of resistances here. If you guys do play short term, there is a good opportunity for you to get in now for around that 10% region back. Obviously it doesn't sound like much, but you can see that jump between $600 to $650, so it is a pretty big jump. So you can see exactly how everything's playing out. The range is broken and then that's smashed over, current ranging at the moment. So what it hopefully does now is break through this and go above. Exactly what I said before guys, in terms of crypto project, this has actually been pretty well. So jumping into a daily time frame now, as I said again guys, you can see that range over here. You clearly see that range happening as well. Going even deeper, you can see again that clear range. There is a range here and there's a range here. there is a major range levels that's just been playing. As you guys know, when range happens, there's always a breakout. So the range here, you can see here is ranging between $200 to $350, and since that range happened, it's been completely smashed. It did break, retest that range, and then go up above. So hopefully what it does is the exact same thing. With ranges, it either completely plummets, guys, or it completely goes up. So just be aware of exactly where it happens. You can see here in this range, there was that resistance broken. Ever since then, it did go up, retest that range, and then create that level of new support over here before going up. So exactly that is what's going to happen here. Either it's going to break this range, create that new level of support and go up, or it's going to completely break down, create that resistance level, and then come back down here. So this is exactly what you guys should be waiting for. So guys, I'm going to wrap this video up here. Just make sure you guys look out for this coin. It is a it's a fairly good coin that's been happening right now. So let me know what you guys think. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below in terms of what you think as well. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.